Today I am to talk about how to use Invideo, and before creating a video is very tough, and you have to write a script, you have to put a voiceover, you have to add stocks, videos, or images, and it will take a lot of time to create even a 5-minute video. So today I want to show you how to use Invideo, and it is a revolutionary, and actually it's like we are living in 2050s. So today I will show you how to use Invideos, and you have to go and search the Invideos in your Google page, and you will type Invideo AI, and on the first they will show the Invideo. So you have to click the Invideo, and then to log in or to sign up for this Invideo is very simple, and I've never seen a platform that is so easy to sign up. So for you, you just have to go and click on try Invideo, and then once you try it, click on the right to try on Invideo. So the sign up or the or login will pop up. For example, mine was already login, so I have to log out to show you how to log in again. So you will just log out, and once you log out, it will look like this. So you will have to put on your email, or you just join with your Google, or join with an Apple, whichever way you have. So for me, I have to just use my email. My password is there. So if you don't have account, or you already account with them, so you just need to sign up. So for you to sign up or create account, you have to just put your email there, and once you put your email there, you just click on the create account, and the login code will be sent to your email. So you have to go to your email and check code from there, and you just paste it or copy it here. So then you log in. Once you log in, you will have to add you have to put on the particulars, your name, and the name of the work platform. Then by just sign up, you will be given every month 10-minute free video. So it's easy to create a video. You just go, and every month you can create a video, but the best option I can advise you is you have to subscribe to the subscription, and it's very cheap and very affordable. So for me, there's no need for joining in. So I will show you because I've already have account with them. So I'm just logging in directly, and then I will go to my email and paste my password. So guys, I have pasted my password, my code. So I have just log in. Once you log in, it will take you straight to the platform where you will start commanding the platform to create the video for you. So you will choose YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainers, recent event videos, and script video. So you can even paste your script or write your script, and command this to the platform to create videos based on your preference. So for me, I just want to show you how to create a short, and you just command, like for example, you just say like five benefits for my content. Is like I'm mostly focused on the health sector, and let me show you one example. So you just type like five benefits, or you can write even like this website can even literally think the way you want to think. Like actually, you just write a very simple English, and it will give you a very very nice video. So let me just write 5 benefits of ketogenic diet. And then you just for the setting is more of the voice over the. So you have to use, do you want a male or a female voice, and you choose them. For example, you choose male, And then the voice, you need a clear American voice or other accent. So let me use the clear American voice. Subtitles, you can use subtitle, or you may opt not to use subtitle. For me, let me just choose subtitle, and then you just go. But the more you explain, like the more you explain your content, the more the video become better. So but you can even you can give also more commands, like 5 benefits of, and starting with introduction, and finish it with subscription request. So this platform can also, yeah, is put to work. It makes work easy for you, and it will even request the audience to subscribe to a channel, and which is very fantastic, and I really love about it. And it actually give you the stock video that shows the subscription buttons and everything. So actually I'm so I'm so glad we have this. So create a video short about 5-minute benefit of about 5 benefits of ketogenic diet, starting with introduction and finish it with subscription. Settings: use a male clear American voice and add words by word subtitle where the current spoken word is in yellow. So you just create a video. So by creating just very like 2 or even maximum 2.5 minutes, you'll have your video. So it's analyzed, then it give you the best part of this platform, will give you even title, so you don't need to struggle to give your work a title. So it will give you a title, and you won't be doing so many things. And the best way, I'm telling you, is to subscribe to this or monthly or annually. It will give you a very high benefit. So already we have given the keto power, full colon 5 benefits of ketogenic diet. So it's preparing the video. So now you have to choose the audience. You either choose the health enthusiasm or diet followers or fitness freak. You may look how do you want your video to look like and feel: minimal, modern, crisp, professional, and then the platform is short, of course. Then you continue. So it will take a few minutes to come up with a full video, and it's very fast. You see now it's already started. 5% is done. So guys, our video is ready, and it didn't even take 2 minutes, and it's ready. Let's look at your video to see how it looks. And then
imagine a diet where you can still enjoy your bacon and eggs. Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet. Here are 5 benefits you'll love. 1. It's a fat-burning powerhouse. The ketogenic diet shifts your body's fuel source from carbs to fats, turning your body into a fat-burning machine.